So it's given to us that x cubed plus 12x upon 6x squared plus 8 is equal to y cubed plus 27y upon 9y squared plus 27. Now using componendo and dividendo, we want to find x is to y. Right? So here they've specified that we need to use componendo and dividendo, and even if they hadn't, though, we would have probably used that particular property, considering it is like one of our favorites, to solve this particular question, right? So let's start off. They've told us, so let's write what we got. We got x cubed plus 12x divided by 6x squared plus 8 is equal to y cube plus 27y divided by 9y square plus 27, right? Now generally we apply componendo and dividendo when we have something in the format of n plus d upon n minus d, and then terms get cancelled out. Here that is not going to happen. However, we would be applying componendo and dividendo. So by componendo and dividendo, right? We would be applying componendo and dividendo those to simplify this sum and see how it's going to happen. So by componendo and dividendo, here, so numerator plus denominator, so numerator x plus 12x, right, plus denominator, which is 6x squared plus 8 divided by, again, numerator plus denominator, so x cubed plus 12x, sorry, numerator minus denominator, so minus 6x squared plus 8, right? So that's numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator on the left hand side. Now it's the same thing for the right hand side as well. So we've got y cubed plus 27y plus 9y squared plus 27. That's x plus numerator plus denominator on, which is in the numerator, and then in the denominator I want to go n minus d, which is y cubed plus 27y minus 9y squared plus 27. Alright, now let's simplify, or rather expand or open up these brackets that we've got. So in the numerator here I have x cubed plus 12x plus 6x squared plus 8, entire thing, divided by x cubed plus 12x minus 6x squared minus 8. So on the left hand side, on the right hand side I have y cubed plus 27y plus 9y squared plus 27. Now entire thing divided by y cubed plus 27y minus 9y cubed, 9y squared minus 27. Alright, so unlike our general sums of componendo and dividendo where terms start getting cancelled, that isn't happening in this particular sum. However, if you notice one thing here, x cubed plus 12x plus 6x squared plus 8 is actually the expansion for x plus 2 the whole cube, right? And the denominator term that we have here, x cubed plus 12x minus 6x squared minus 8, is the expansion of the term x minus 2 the whole cube, right? So those are the formulas for a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube that we have to recognize here. Similarly, on the right hand side, the numerator is the expansion for y plus 3 the whole cube, and the denominator is the expansion for y minus 3 the whole cube, right? So make sure you know these formulas, a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube, right? So since we have cubes all around all the terms, we take the cube roots. So taking cube roots on both sides, cube roots on both sides, we have if I take cube roots on both the sides, so we end up with the terms as x plus 2 upon x minus 2 equal to y plus 3 upon y minus 3. Right. So now again we have an option of either cross multiplying or taking componendo and dividendo once again. So let's do that. Let's take componendo and dividendo again. So if I say by componendo and dividendo what I have is on my left hand side I have x plus 2 plus x minus 2, numerator plus denominator, upon numerator x plus 2 minus denominator, so minus x plus 2. Right. Same thing on the right hand side, numerator plus denominator n plus d plus, so y minus 3, so n plus d, numerator plus denominator, divided by numerator minus denominator, so numerator minus denominator. Right. So let's see what all terms are getting cancelled out now. Plus 2 minus 2 over here, and x plus x minus x. And on the other side of the equation, we have plus 3 and minus 3 getting cancelled over here, and we've got plus y and minus y getting cancelled here. Right, so what does this simplify to? X plus x is 2x divided by 2 plus 2 is 4. That is equal to y plus y is 2y, and 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, so we're finally about to get our answer now. So 2 1s are, 2 2s are here, and if I have to cancel on this side, 2 1s are, and 2 3s are over here. So we are finally with x upon 2 is equal to y upon 3. Therefore, that means x upon y is equal to 2 upon 3. Right, and therefore I can write my final answer now. The ratio of x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3, and this here is my final answer.